In 1914, a pivotal event reshaped the destiny of what is now Africa's most populous nation, the amalgamation of Nigeria. This act, orchestrated by the British colonial administration, unified the northern and southern protectorates along with the Lagos colony into a single entity. This marked the birth of Nigeria as we know it, a nation grappling with the complexities of its diverse heritage. The amalgamation was not just a geographical merger, it was a cultural fusion, a political experiment, and the genesis of a national identity that continues to evolve. The decision to unite these distinct regions under British rule had far-reaching consequences. It brought together people from different ethnicities, religions, and socio-political systems, setting the stage for both unity and friction. Understanding the amalgamation is crucial to comprehending the dynamics of modern Nigeria. It is a story of power, identity, and the enduring legacy of colonialism. This essay delves into the history of Nigeria's amalgamation, exploring its context, motivations, and enduring impacts. We will journey through the pre-colonial realities of the North and South, examine the reasons behind British colonization and the subsequent unification, and analyze the immediate and long-term consequences of this momentous event. Finally, we will reflect on how the amalgamation shaped Nigerian nationalism and the country's path to independence and beyond. Through this exploration, we aim to shed light on the complexities of Nigeria's past and present, recognizing the challenges and opportunities that this historical juncture continues to pose for the nation. The amalgamation of Nigeria is not just a historical event, it is a living legacy, shaping the country's identity and trajectory in profound ways. Before the arrival of the British, the territories that would become Nigeria were a tapestry of diverse cultures, kingdoms, and empires. The north, a vast expanse encompassing the Sahel and Savannah, was home to powerful Islamic states like the Sokoto Caliphate and the Borno Empire. These empires thrived on trade, agriculture, and a well-established system of Islamic law and governance. The north was a hub for trans-Saharan trade routes, connecting it to North Africa and the Middle East. In contrast, the south, characterized by rainforests and coastal plains, was a region of diverse ethnic groups, including the Yoruba, Igbo, and Edo peoples. These groups had their own unique political systems, religious beliefs, and social structures. Many of the southern kingdoms, like the Oyo Empire and the Benin Kingdom, were renowned for their art, craftsmanship, and sophisticated governance. The South also had a long history of trade with European powers, particularly in palm oil and other commodities. The Niger River, flowing from the north to the south, served as a natural artery connecting these distinct regions. Despite their differences, the North and South engaged in trade and cultural exchange. However, they also experienced periods of conflict and competition over resources and influence. This pre-colonial diversity, with its inherent complexities, laid the groundwork for the challenges and opportunities that would arise from the amalgamation. Understanding the distinct histories and characteristics of the North and South is crucial to grasping the impact of their unification. The amalgamation brought together people with different languages, customs, and worldviews, creating both a potential melting pot and a source of tension. These pre-existing differences would influence the socio-political landscape of colonial and post-colonial Nigeria.